Well, shucks. Looks like it sounds like it's got the original motor though. It's either matte or PTL. Oh, it's PTL because of the indicator. Maybe it's still original on the inside, I guess. Maybe this is just a slap-on mod. I don't see any interesting system detector equipment. Here it is. Original interior, so maybe.
Hello.
Nope, it's a mod. Which one are you going to?
4. Thank you.
Welcome. There you go.
Thank you.
You have a good one.
Yeah, you too.
KONE maintains. Maybe that's the modernizer. Yeah, this is literally just a slap-on. Oh, I forgot to press button. The cab is still original. Pretty much everything's still original except for the fixtures. That sucks though, because it came for the fixtures. Which one?
Please. 2. Thank you. Thanks.
You're welcome.
Have a good day.
You too. Mind opening. Ooh, whoa. Little jerky. Yeah, this still is on its original controller too. This is all this is just a slap-on mod. That's it. That's all this is. Unless, no, they replaced it up here too. I had a feeling the fixtures were to go and everything else is going to be kept the same because the fixtures were in very bad shape. This is a KONE, in case you were wondering. Now hopefully there's nobody waiting because I do want to at least get a good take of this motor. Good. Alright, ready for an epic motor? Here we go. Got what I wanted. I like this elevator. I just wish the fixtures weren't replaced. At least this wasn't the only reason why I went out this far on the island today. Even the indicators are replaced. What the heck? I wouldn't be surprised if KONE got their hands on this. Look how tacky the call button is too. That's how you know it's a slap on. There it goes, and that's it.